Are you passionate about something? Maybe it's painting, playing an instrument, or even a unique hobby that you can't get enough of. Do you dream of turning your passion into a thriving business? Imagine taking that dream and making it a reality where your creativity and hard work pay off. TikTok might be the key. This platform isn't just for entertainment. It's a powerful tool for showcasing your talents and reaching a global audience. It's not just dance crazes and funny videos. TikTok is a vibrant community where people share their skills, knowledge, and passions. TikTok is a powerful tool for entrepreneurs like you. Whether you're an artist, a musician, or a small business owner, TikTok offers endless opportunities to showcase your work. This exciting platform connects you with a massive audience eager to discover new products and services. Whether you're baking cakes, crafting jewelry, or offering online coaching, TikTok provides a stage for your creativity. TikTok can help you reach new customers and grow your side hustle. With the right strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Get ready to unlock the magic of TikTok and watch your business soar. Start creating, sharing, and engaging with your audience today. The possibilities are endless. Why choose TikTok over other social media platforms? The answer is simple. TikTok is built for engagement. With its short, attention-grabbing videos, TikTok makes it easy for your content to go viral and reach a global audience. The platform's algorithm is designed to showcase content to users based on their interests, ensuring that your videos reach the right people. Plus, TikTok's creative tools and effects make it fun and easy to produce eye-catching content that captures attention. Ready to harness the power of TikTok? Let's get started. Creating your TikTok account is quick and easy. Simply download the app from your device's app store. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the process is straightforward. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the sign-up process. You can sign up with your email address or phone number, whichever you prefer. TikTok will send you a verification code to ensure your account's security. Enter the code to proceed. Next, you'll need to choose a username. This is an important step because your username is how people will find you on TikTok. Make sure it reflects your brand or personality. If your first choice is taken, try adding numbers or underscores to make it unique. Once your account is set up, it's time to personalize your profile. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Start by adding a profile picture and a catchy bio. Your bio should tell viewers about your side hustle or what kind of content they can expect from you. Keep it short and engaging. You have a limited number of characters, so make every word count. Don't forget to include a link to your website or online shop. This is a great way to drive traffic to your other platforms and increase your reach. Make sure the link is working and directs viewers to the right page. Finally, choose a profile picture that represents your brand and makes you stand out from the crowd. This could be your logo, a professional headshot, or something that captures the essence of your content. Now that your profile is ready, let's move on to creating engaging content. Stay tuned for the next chapter where we'll dive into tips and tricks for making your videos go viral. Content is king on TikTok, and the key is to create videos that are both entertaining and informative. Showcase your products or services in action, share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your process, and offer valuable tips and advice related to your niche. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video styles and trends to see what resonates with your audience. Remember to keep your videos short and snappy to capture viewers' attention and make them want to see more. Music is another crucial element of successful TikTok videos. Hashtags and trends, expanding your reach. Hashtags are essential for making your content discoverable on TikTok. They act as keywords that help categorize your content, making it easier for users to find your videos. When you use the right hashtags, your content can appear in search results and on the For You page, which is crucial for reaching a broader audience. Use a mix of relevant industry hashtags, trending hashtags, and niche-specific hashtags to maximize your reach. Industry hashtags connect you with others in your field, while trending hashtags can give your content a timely boost. Niche-specific hashtags help you target a more specific audience that is interested in your particular content. Branded hashtags specific to your side hustle can also create a sense of community and brand identity. Encourage your followers to use your branded hashtags to increase engagement and build a loyal following. Research popular hashtags in your niche and incorporate them into your video captions. Tools like TikTok's Discover page or third-party apps can help you find trending and relevant hashtags. Regularly updating your hashtag strategy ensures that your content remains visible and engaging. Keep an eye on trending challenges and sounds, as these can significantly boost your visibility. Participating in trending challenges shows that you are up to date with the latest trends, which can attract more viewers to your content. Trending challenges and sounds often have a higher chance of going viral, giving your content the potential to reach millions of users. This can lead to a significant increase in followers and engagement. Participating in trends shows your audience that you're current and relevant, increasing your chances of going viral. It also demonstrates that you are an active member of the TikTok community, which can help build trust and credibility with your audience. Increasing your chances of going viral can lead to more opportunities for collaboration and sponsorships, further expanding your reach and influence on the platform. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on trends to make them unique to your brand. Adding a personal touch can make your content stand out and resonate more with your audience, ultimately helping you build a stronger and more recognizable brand presence on TikTok. Collaborating with influencers can give your side hustle a significant boost on TikTok. Influencers have established audiences who trust their recommendations, making them valuable partners for promoting your products or services. When choosing influencers to work with, look for those whose audience aligns with your target market. Reach out to them with a collaboration proposal that outlines your goals and how they can help you achieve them. Influencer marketing can be a powerful way to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and generate sales. Tracking your progress is crucial for long-term success on TikTok. Pay attention to your video views, likes, comments, and shares to gauge how well your content is performing. Analyze your audience demographics to understand who you're reaching and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Experiment with different posting times and frequencies to find what works best for your audience. Don't be afraid to try new things, learn from your mistakes, and constantly evolve your TikTok strategy to maximize, your impact and achieve your side hustle goals. Are you ready to take your online presence to the next level? Subscribe to my channel, Online with Teresa, for expert tips, strategies, and insights on building a thriving online business. I'll be sharing valuable advice on everything from creating engaging content to mastering social media marketing. Let's connect in the comments section below. Share your experiences with using TikTok for your side hustle, ask any questions you may have, and let's support each other on this exciting journey. Together we can turn our entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Remember, success on TikTok, like any other platform, takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating engaging content, experimenting with different strategies, and engaging with your audience. The more you put yourself out there, the greater your chances of success. So what are you waiting for? Download TikTok, set up your account, and start creating. Your side hustle journey begins today. And with dedication and a sprinkle of TikTok magic, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.